Stroke is one of the leading causes of deaths in Jamaica. As a result, if you have certain medical conditions such as hypertension or diabetes, you may want to take extra caution, especially during the summer.
You find that a change in the weather, an increase in the temperature, can lead to rupturing of blood vessels, and it's something that's well described. When you have a sudden change in the weather condition, certainly you see it around the summer times, but it's also documented around the winter times when you go into the colder climates. There's something about a significant change in the temperature and atmospheric pressure that can result in rupturing of blood vessels in the head.
Knowing the signs and symptoms are critical. Dr. Hunter says if someone is having signs of a stroke, he or she needs to be taken to the doctor immediately to avoid complications or even the person's demise.
First of all, patients may have twisting of the face. One side of the face looks drooled or droopy. The patient may have a problem with speech, right? So they become slurred in their speech. They may also become weak in one arm, one side, or one leg. That usually indicates that a patient may be having a stroke.
Dr. Hunter says individuals who have these non-communicable diseases should not drink too much, as it could lead to a stroke.
During the summer times, we tend to go into parties and perhaps drink alcohol, which very often does not agree with a lot of the blood pressure medication or diabetic medication. So it's very important for people to be disciplined and not to participate in excesses.
With your health report, I'm Shamela Mitchell, wishing you good health.